Hey guys, welcome back to Learn to Trade YouTube channel. Today we'll talk about crude oil, about the US oil, only because the Canadian inflation data, also the US retail sales will have a big impact on crude oil. And personally, I'm looking at the potential bullish, I'm looking at the potential bullish pattern here on crude oil, but the fundamentals will drive the price, will drive the market. And also, don't forget that the US is to release also the crude oil inventories. This economic indicator could bring some action also on crude oil. So I will talk about the crude oil. Risk disclaimer before I will take a look on crude oil. It's important to understand that trading is risky, that past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance, and don't forget that Learn to Trade will never contact you directly and will never ask for payment on Telegram or via email. So the only way to communicate with Learn to Trade is if you send an email to support. Okay. Thank you guys. So let's take a look on US oil. 92.92, 93.51, as you already know, as resistance. And personally, I have here the 4-hour chart, as you can see. Something like a sideways movement, maybe sideways movement, but right now it has reached this demand zone, support zone 83.85, 85.39. It has rebounded, but it's still located within this down channel here in the short term. Personally, I also have this ascending pitchfork 1, 2, and 3. Strong rally. Its failure to hit the upper medium line, sell off, rebound. Right now it has reached the lower medium line as dynamic support. Okay, and after escaping from this major falling wedge pattern, it was expected to develop a new leg higher, new swing higher, but unfortunately it has failed to take out the resistance zone 92.92, 93.51. Okay, so as long as it stays above 85.39, above the lower medium line of the ascending pitchfork, the price of US oil the crude oil could try to develop a new bullish momentum, but maybe we'll have a long setup or a new long opportunity only if the price makes a valid breakout here, and then it could develop a new leg higher. So personally, I want to see here test retest here, test retest, sideways movement to stay near the downtrend line, to test retest the support zone, support levels, downside obstacles, and then to take out the downtrend line and to develop a new leg higher. Because let's take a look today. The consumer price index, the Canadian consumer price index, could bring high volatility and sharp movements on the Canadian dollar, on the US dollar, also on the US oil. Okay, also don't forget retail sales, core retail sales from the United States, and also crude oil inventories, guys. This indicator, the indicator is expected in the negative territory. This could be good for the price of oil, for the US oil. Also, if the Canadian dollar, okay, if the Canadian dollar will appreciate versus the US dollar after the CPI, after the US data, then maybe the crude oil, the US oil could develop a new bullish momentum. So in the short term, I will keep an eye on the demand zone here, and also I will keep an eye on this downtrend line. And as I've said, sideways movement here or test retest, false breakdowns, valid breakout could bring us new long opportunities here in crude oil, in US oil, and in my opinion, only taking out the support zone, okay, dropping, closing and stabilizing below 83.85, testing, retesting could bring us maybe new short opportunities, could announce a deeper drop here in crude oil. Thank you guys. Don't forget about the risk disclaimer, and don't forget to visit our website, Learn to Trade, for more educational materials. If you want to become a VIP member, YouTube channel, please subscribe. You can learn a lot from our videos. Please like our videos, you can share them. Personally, I'm waiting your comments right below this video as well. Instagram as well, if you don't want to miss our Instagram content. Learn to Trade if you want to become a VIP member. Learn to Trade Forex Signals, and Dash to Trade if you want to join the pre-sale. Thank you. Bye bye.